What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a really quick video today. This is my helmet, as you can see here, for my motorcycle. And it is a Shoei RF1200. So my only complaint with it is when we go riding, we generally go in the evenings, and then when we come home, we're usually westbound. And I end up running like face first into the sun the entire drive. It's miserable, not super safe. It's terrible. So what I did was order one of these transition lenses. Let's go ahead and open that real quick. So if you're not familiar, these things are basically the same thing as the transition lenses in like eyeglasses. So this lens will actually change color and darken when it comes in contact with UV light, and then it will clear back up when it no longer encounters that light. So this should basically get me the best of both worlds. So to install your new shield, take your old one off. There is these little tabs right here. They're spring loaded. You open up your visor, release these tabs, pop it off. It should come right off. And then to reinstall, it's basically the same thing but backwards. So you'll line up these little teeth with the slots on your helmet. It'll snap down in and you release it and that'll trap it in there. We'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Line this up, put those in, easy peasy. Now, one word of caution, make sure it's all the way in. It's really easy for these things to jump out of the rail and not be in the right spot. So, all right, let's run outside and see if this thing darkens up. Alrighty, so we are outside now and we're gonna test this thing out. Walk around for a second and then see if it darkens up. Alrighty, so yeah, it's just been like 30 seconds here, a minute, and you can tell it's already darkening up quite a bit. I'm pretty sure if it was in full sun, it would darken up a lot more. So yeah, I'm gonna call that a success. Alright, well that's pretty much all there is to it. Just a quick little install, definitely something you can do yourself at home. If you're looking for a better sunglasses option for your helmet, go ahead and give it a shot and let me know what you think. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and we will catch you on the next one. Bye.